Hey, so I wanted to pay a compliment for something that I seen on Grand Design. I'm looking at a momentum and a reflection, and I'm going to point out something that's on these, but then I'm also going to come over here to a Winnebago, let Grand Design, and Winnebago are partners, and tell the guys at Grand Design to tell the guys at Winnebago to do it a little bit better. So looking at the Grand Design, as you can see, this piece is called a Z-lock. And it's basically a strip that's underneath here, and it allows the metal to go up and hold it. And you can see Grand Design added screws all the way down its molding. This helps prevent the molding from coming loose and water from getting down behind it, causing damage to the wall and the floor. Here's the reflection, same thing, it's on the slide out. You can see the screws being added to it as well. And now we're going to come over to the Winnebago. Basically same thing, we see no screws along the entire edge. Now not everything has come loose yet, but some areas, like when the room was out, this area was completely opened up a minute ago and was expanded and was allowing water to get back behind it. So it's tight, but I can still push on it and make it move. I would recommend that the customer put screws in here about every foot to 6 inches, depending on how much flex it has. But that's just an example of one manufacturer to another. Pretty much anyone that you go out and see nowadays is going to have screws on that because they're all aware of that issue. And again, here's one of those issues I was talking about. Now the slide out's closed, but you can see how the molding has pulled loose from the coach. See how I can rock it back and forth? So that's going to allow water to go directly in, and the customers are not going to be able to see it till it's too late or till it causes damage. So thanks so much for watching.